Okay. 20. Okay, there are 30 cows and a chicken. Wait, what? There are 30 cows.
Say it slow.
There are 30 cows in a field. 28 chickens. How many didn't?
10.
You got the
Yeah, I ain't stupid.
Audrey, I have a joke for you. Listen, have you ever heard of the movie Constipation?
No.
It never came out. Audrey. 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 What do you call a cop in bed?
A cop in bed?
Yeah.
Give me a hint. What's
No, just no.
What's the
No, just it's the
I don't know.
undercover.
I'm gonna smack your phone out your hand.
Listen.
Oh my god, bro.
Listen.
This is the last one.
Listen. Why do ducks have tails?
Why?
To cover their butt quacks.
Okay, so funny. Oh my
You're
god,
so.
I'm laughing.
Oh my god, I hate you. Okay, you're gonna hate me, but I have one last one. Audrey, you're gonna hate me, but I have one last one. Audrey, you're gonna hate me, but I have one last one, so you gotta listen, cause it's funny.
Hey.
What's blue and smells like red paint?
Don't know.
Blue paint.
It's not even that funny, bro.
Okay, I know you like your dad jokes, so I have a dad joke for you. Audrey, I know you like your dad jokes, so I have a dad joke for you. So you gotta listen to this one, because this one's really funny. You'll laugh at this one. Listen. Listen. Are you listening? Audrey, are you listening? Listen. Pause it.
Listening.
What sound does a witch's broom make? Wait, what sound does a witch's vehicle make?
Don't know.
Broom, broom.
It's not even that funny, bro.